What is up, guys? I'm back. 1.5 months vacation done. I'm rested. I had enough. I want to get back to work. I want to get back to work with this car, and it's changed a little bit.
I've always liked to play with fire. I've always liked to play with fire.
Yo, what is up? As you can see, the car has changed a lot, and no thanks to... Oh wait, what the no thanks to?
Homie's lost his vlog game completely.
Thanks to Casper and Salah, who Salah
isn't here for some reason.
He's been on his way for the last 2 hours.
Yeah.
So Casper, why don't you explain what you guys had done and what's new on the car?
Can I take the camera because it'll just be easier? I'm gonna flip this around.
Long story short, the engine's back in its place, all the Y-Stab kit has been installed, and then what we also did was just put in the shocks, both sides, made the subframe, which as you can see now matches the entire kit itself, and it's nice and blue. Engine mounts we put in there as well. We've given it a nostril so it can inhale tire smoke, if that's what you want to say. Booj is still cutting his way through life for no reason, but there you go. And then basically on the back we've also done the rear cross member, and we've also started with the exhaust. We put the rear shocks back on, we've put the wheels and spacers back on, we've painted everything, we've done everything we had to do, and basically we've done...
Are you sure you're recording?
Yes, we are.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay,
recording.
good.
So yeah, we did a lot. I mean, Osama's been away for a while. Me and Salah really couldn't stop because we wanted to get this car in motion. We wanted to put the bumpers back. We wanted to put the components for the interior, so steering rack and so on, back in place. Our seat is also here. We are just waiting for some seat rails.
And I said it's too big, man. The seat is actually...
Really? Have you tried it?
I tried it. I sat in it. Well, I mean, it's okay. I mean, I fit comfortably, but I don't think bucket seats are supposed to be comfortable.
Yeah, but listen, this seat is supposed to house the three of us. Not obviously at the same time, but cannot.
Well, honestly, it's that big, it possibly could.
We could try it out. That'll be an interesting challenge, I think. We bought some lights, which actually I will show you if they are here. Yes, they are. They're a bit retro and they're a bit old school, but I think they're really cool. Here we go. That's the light.
Classic, buggy, old school kind of look. That's what we're going for.
So this thing is gonna house and live, if the guys don't do anything silly. Basically, the car's basically gonna be set around here. And there's gonna be 4 of them, and then we're also gonna put like 2 on the front. It's gonna look really cool. We're gonna make them jump around like when it hits the rev limiter and do all sorts of nice and fun stuff when it's right on the edge of living. But yeah, all in all, I think we've done quite a bit. And now the work continues. So the guys are finishing some stuff up on the roof. Then we're gonna start with the inside and see where it goes. Do you want the camera back?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
1 second.
He's busy.
I'm the cameraman and the cameraman.
Nice.
I'm gonna show you guys something, what we're doing. So the guys are cutting up the bends for the exhaust. They're gonna be welded together. And I had a look at them earlier, and it looks insane. It looks like a huge job. And I don't think they're very happy about doing it, but it's gonna be bendy, twisty, all that good stuff. Check it out. All this stuff is gonna be welded together. That's gonna be fun. So all these rings are supposed to fit each other to create the bends around everything underneath the car, because the exhaust is gonna be completely custom except for the muffler we have. If we decide to go turbo in the future, but right now we need that back pressure because we're afraid that we might lose power. So this car right here has turned from a cheap drift car build into something that's gonna look spectacular, and I'm all for that, but the thing is I don't know how to drift too well, and I'm worried that I will be scared to drive it and test and learn how to drift. So yeah, but I mean, I can't complain. It looks amazing.
We're discussing with our head welder slash designer your idea, which I don't think Salah's going to be very pleased.
No. Which idea?
To leave it roll. Yo, what's up?
Hey man, what's up?
Nothing much, bro. We're at the shop. Where are you at?
I'm coming, I was watching the fog. Are they doing the fog lamps?
No, man. We're gonna do the fog lamps, but we've come up with an idea, by the way. That's why we need to see you.
What idea?
We have a change of plan.
There's no change of plan, my friend. Let them do what I saw, what it said to do, okay?
You'll like this idea, though.
Oh my god.
Hey, this is what happens when you leave us at the garage, bro. I'm sorry, but you know.
Dude, please, just give me Bunjan real quick.
Where's Bunjan? Bunjan! I don't know where he is. He's changing the subject, though. I don't know. He's inside in the paint shop, just getting some stuff.
A few moments later.
What's up, man? How's it going? Where you been?
I've been around.
We have a new idea.
Where have you been?
I've been around.
An idea that we came up with, I think, is kind of cool.
We came up with the idea separately.
Okay.
It's not like we want to change what we originally thought, because the original idea is awesome as well. We were even talking about this. But it's just something to think about. Take it away.
You ready? Let's do the new components in paint. Let's leave the car raw.
No.
It's the one and only
Why? See? Why not? It will look it will just clear it.
No.
It will look amazing.
It won't work. It will eventually rust. The moisture,
Clear it.
even if you clear it, moisture will get under the clear and will rust it out. Plus, when you're most of the events are at night. People won't see what this looks like. It'll look like any other death cart out there. They'll know it has a cage in it.
That's true.
Trust me, man. Like if you have a white car, from 30 feet away you can see the details of it more than a black car. At night you can't even see what the black car is. But the white car, that's a...
Is that why you got a black Subaru?
That's a Mustang, that's a Toyota, that's a, you know? So,
It's the only option that was available.
and plus, you see how when we have these gold and blue going together in the suspension, you see how that looks plastic?
Yeah.
The whole concept of this whole car looks like you picked it up out of a toy store. You know, it'll look plastic.
What the hell are you doing?
So what you're seeing now is the guys putting up the new lights, keeping it old school, buggy style, no LEDs on this one.
Look at that. That's old school, baby.
Give the people what they want to hear.
Okay,
So we can give them a glimpse of what we've been doing.
so we're gonna have a pipe. The entrance, I want to get it from this angle so you can see.
Yeah.
It's gonna come from here. It's gonna wrap around like this. So you're gonna see it wrap around and go in here. This is gonna be like a mirror image of what's happening here. It's gonna go out, in, but instead of going back there, it's gonna come out here.
Alright.
Right from here.
Like the Anaconda exhaust.
Yeah, it's gonna be like almost like a ram, you know, like the horns of a ram.
Yeah.
We've done the fog lamps. Now these fog lamps are gonna have strobes in them, so we're not necessarily gonna have them all on, but we can have strobes that flash in them and do a light show.
The car is on the lift now, again, because we're doing the exhaust. The guys need to get underneath, doing the downpipe with the bends coming from the headers all the way to the end, to the muffler that we saw earlier, and then to this Anaconda crazy ass design. Look at that. That is amazing. Look at these bends. So much work and time and effort by these guys. It's just absolutely stunning job. Got the tack welds done. Looking very nice, very beautiful. And the guys did an amazing job working all day on this. And next episode we'll see the whole thing tacked up and we'll have the exhaust outlet coming out from the middle.
I don't trust you nor you. I feel bad for Booge, but it looks really good. I expected that, but it looks better than the explanation of that. All right, should we leave it there?
Yeah, leave it there. Thank
All right.
you guys.
Thank you guys for joining. Well, I'd say welcome back. I know I've just taken over Snowcast vlog, but hey, that's what we do.
I got my cameraman.
Right, well, still the
Moving
cutter,
up in the
so
world.
exactly right. From SMS, from Snowcast RT, Casper TL, we shall catch you next time. And yeah, so that's your usual word of
We the best. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Take care.